into our sample center. Leveraging on our 60+ year history in garment manufacturing, our group possesses valuable technical know-how to satisfy stringent aesthetic standards of premium brands. Such advanced product development capability, honed over decades of collaboration with top designer brands, enables us to accurately translate our customers' concepts into prototype samples and then into bulk production. Friendly instructions consisting of patterns, sewing and linking details, points of measurement, wash formula, label, hand tag placement, bill of materials, and packaging instructions. Our experienced product development team is committed to delivering high-quality products with high aesthetics value and consistent standards.